Hi students, now we come to a new chapter. It's about area and perimeter. Uh, and then in this chapter, we will learn about area and perimeter of squares and rectangles, and then also area and perimeter um, for composite figures. Okay, so for the first topic, subtopic is about rectangles and square. So this is about let's do some review first for the rectangles and squares. In rectangles and squares, we need to keep us reminded again about the properties of rectangles and squares. For rectangles, the opposite sides are equal, okay, and then for squares, all sides are equal. Okay, let me show you first by drawing a rectangles. Okay, so for example, this is my drawings. Now, this is a rectangle. The length is over here is 5. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5 square. 5 centimeters. And then the breadth is 4 centimeters. So each of the small square here is 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. So this one is 5 centimeters, and then the breadth is 4 centimeter. And then for the we need, as we remember that the opposite sides are equal, then this one is also 5, and then this also 4. And how to do perimeter? Perimeter is just the outer line here of the rectangles. Let me draw the line here so that you can see it better. This is the line. 5, 4 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, so this is the perimeter. How to do the perimeter? So you can do it by plus all the lines over here. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, and then this is 18 centimeter. Okay, this is how we do the perimeter. Or you can do it by doing like this. You do the 2 times, what do you need to do is the length plus the breadth. Okay, so this is the formula to do perimeter. You can do it like this also. 2 times in the bracket is length plus the breadth. So in the things that is in the bracket, we do it first, and then after that you do the times. So if we use this formula, then we can see is this 2 times the breadth is here is 5. Okay, so we open bracket 5 plus, and then the breadth is 4, and then you can see is 2 times 9 is 18 centimeter. So this is how we do the perimeters, how to find the perimeters. And then for the area, I hope you still remember, I think you have learned about area also for this rectangles, is if we use the formula, it is the length times the breadth. Okay, so over here the length is 5 times the breadth is 4, and this one is equal to 20 centimeter square. Okay, so this is how we do the, the perimeter and area. So just as I have said just now about perimeter is just about the lines that we have here, the outer line here, 5 4 5 4. So you can see this one, 5 4 5 4, and it is equal to 18 centimeter. And then how about the area? Can you see about the area? I hope you can see. Yeah, so please remember, I have said this one so many times, that uh, math is not only about calculation, it's also about observation. So if you observe this thing, how do you get the 20? You get the 20 is by counting the small squares inside the line of the perimeter of the rectangles. So you see 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so this is how we get the perimeter and the area of the square of the I'm sorry, for the rectangle. Okay, now I want to show you the one example about the square. Is square, please remember about squares. Squares, it means all sides are equal. So if I draw the squares here, for example 4 times 4 squares here, and then you can see perimeter just the same again, right? You see the sides, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, this one 4, and then all sides are equal, 4, 4, and 4. So this one, what you need to do is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 16 centimeter. Or you can say like this, how to get the perimeter is like 4 times the length of the side, and then you can see the length of the side in here is 4, so you have 16 centimeter. Okay, and then for the area is almost the same, right? So the sides times the sides. Okay, so the sides, the length of the sides times the side, and this, the length of the side is 4 times the 4 again, this one is equal to 16 centimeter square. Okay, so this is how we get the area and perimeter of the squares and rectangles. So I hope I will show you again in the next video about how to get the the unknown sides of a squares and rectangles. Okay, I'll see you soon.